Kasi ganyan yan, nasa stylist ang gawa, nasa client ang alaga. Hello, I'm RJ from J. Watton Salon. My role here involves not only providing hair services, but also building a strong relationship and connection with clients. My experience here in hair industry, when I was 17 to 18 years old. Tapos I've been here for like 6 to 7 years, I remember. My passion for styling nagsimula nung in-encourage ako ng mga kabatch ko dati. Nakitaan ako ng mga senior ko din dati na I have a potential, grow. Tapos dun, nag-spark. So, I have a desire to help the clients to be confident and beautiful. My favorite part of being a stylist, siguro yung creation na nagagawa ko, yung hair art mismo. When a client leave the salon, have big smile, was feeling refreshed sila and empowered. As you can see naman, J. Watton is one of the famous salons na nag-excel here in Manila. Such as foliage, face framing, balayage, those techniques, using foils, precision cuts, styling curls. So I am always looking to enhance my skills and stay updated to the latest trends so that I can provide the best services to my clients. Memorable transformation. Nangyari siguro dito sa Parañaque na branch. Yung that time, yung may kinulayan ako na virgin hair. So, and she wants to achieve ombre balayage. Kasi sa akin, it's my third, fourth time na kasi bihira lang yung nagre-request ng rose blonde. So for me, parang nakatatak siya sa isip ko na like, oh, ang ganda. And also sa client, nasatisfy siya talaga. And tapos, yung color, nag-suit siya sa kanyang personality and na-boost yung confidence niya immensely. Why choose J. Watton Salon? Clients should be choose J. Watton Salon because kasi kami as one of the pioneering stylist here sa J. Watton, nung sa Davao pa kami, we are committed to providing personalized services and relaxing salon experience. Our team, not only here in Parañaque, all throughout branches, is passionate about staying ahead of trends and utilizing high quality products to ensure the best results. To my current and potential clients, I want to say thank you. Thank you for supporting. Tapos, to those nagre-refers, nakakataba ng puso. I look forward to creating beautiful looks together and making our salon experience unforgettable. Kasi ganyan yan. Nasa stylist ang gawa, nasa client ang alaga. So, dapat may mga home care maintenance such as hair mask, lalo-lalo na yung mga bleach process na mga services. Dapat may mga purple shampoo, non-sulfate shampoo, lalo-lalo na if mahilig mag-bleach. Yung hair mask, ibababad siya. Iko-coat, huwag ibabanlaw. For all future clients out there, visit and inquire here at J. Watton Salon para ma-enhance natin yung natural look at makapag-suggest ng what kind of services na mapabagay sa buhok nyo. And that's all.